Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment so the rest is fast. Install Widgets Kit and confirm it is version 2. 1 or newer, this ensures required features. Once installed, open the app and grant permissions for notifications and local files so widgets can update. Next, sign in or create an account and enable Cloud Sync so your layouts persist across devices. Now that basic access and sync are set, you're ready to create your first widget layout and move into configuration. Now you build and configure your widget step by step. Tap the plus icon and select a widget type like clock, feed, or quick toggle. This choice defines available settings. Once placed, resize and position using grid snap and 1/2 increments so things align cleanly. Next, connect data sources, choose an API, local file, or system action, because linked data keeps widgets live and meaningful. Finally, set refresh intervals and display rules. These control performance and battery use as you refine behavior. Finish by reviewing and locking your setup so it works reliably. Preview the layout and toggle live mode to confirm updates occur and interactions register. Then save a preset and export a backup file or push to cloud so you can restore or share configurations. If something breaks, clear the app cache, reauthorize API keys, and restart the app. These steps resolve most sync or data issues. If problems persist, recreate the widget with minimal settings to isolate the fault before rebuilding fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.